four formulas of Excel. First one is conditional formatting, how to use conditional formatting, and second one is if error. Third one is text join, and fourth one is text split. Text join and text split. We already discussed text join, and the other name of the text join is and concatenate or concat. So these two formula is related to the text join, but text join is a new formula which is in Excel, Microsoft 365. So we will discuss this formula also. And now let's discuss first one is conditional formatting. So what is the more beneficial and why we use the conditional formatting? So in conditional formatting today we will discuss only two things: how to identify duplicate. So first, in conditional formatting you have to go in home, then conditional formatting, then highlight cells rules, and you have to select. Okay, we have we will do these things here in country. So we have to select and duplicate values. Okay, it also same because it's same. So let's assume I will copy this one here. Okay, so now these are the different teams, so you will identify very easily. Here you can go here and select this. So these two identify these two are the duplicate. Okay, now let's move on. The another conditional formatting is here. We go just now we want to set a icon, like if the values is more than 80, so we set a green icon. If the value is less than 80, we select another icon, and as on. So now let's select conditional formatting. We select only these three. Okay, three red light, but we have to check rules also. So more rules. I can select. Okay, so now here you can see. Firstly, I connect and I try to make yes, it's visible for everyone. Okay, now let's go to the icon or rule, and then now we want only set on as per the number. So as per the number is, if the value is more than 80, we want red signal. If the value is more than 45 but less than 80, we set the signal is yellow, and if the value is less than 45, we select red one. Okay, let's check here. Okay, so we can use conditional formatting, okay, as per the requirement. So this value is more than 80, so here is showing the only yellow icon. Now let's move on another thing is if error. So in why we and where we requirement the if error. So if error is just for the formatting also. Let's take one more example is here we just find the percentage. Okay, so percentage, the condition is we have to just phrase this F13. Okay, now let's yes. So now here is showing only values. So just if we use if error, so we just formatting these things. How we can do these things? Firstly, equal to if error. Okay, put this formula as it is, comma, what you want. Okay, you can type it anything like na, not available, anything instead of value. So we just write n dot a and bracket close and enter. Just got our answer is na. Now next one is text join. Okay, so let's take the example of text join. First one, we already discussed concatenate and concat. So now we don't use concat and concatenate. Now we can use another formula is text join. So in text join, firstly they add the delimiter. So delimiter is just only what you want, only space, or just you add dash slash anything. So we just add only dash. Okay, comma. Then it asks, do you want to include empty cell or not? So we ignore empty cell. So now here we click this one. Okay, true, true, comma. Now we just select only the cell. So we just select only first one, comma, second one, comma, third one, and so on. But in concatenate and we have to use more time comma and more time and if we want to add some space, so we have to give every time space. But in here we just use only dash, or we can change with the space also. So every word, every cell, this formula provide one space between the two text. Okay, let's enter this one. Okay, so we get this one. Now just remove this thing and add some space. So in every word you will get space here. So this formula works like this. Now let's move on. Text split. Text split is also same. Let's take this one is split. So we can use only comma. Okay, so every word there is a comma. So now we just want to remove the comma and we want in a column. So we can use text split. Here we can select this one. Then we can select what is this one. Now ignore everything. You got your answer. Here you just click this one. Okay, so you will get all the things. Thank you. Bye bye, my dear friend.